In the previous part, we have seen what is chemical reaction, its identification, and then chemical equation, and how to write chemical equation with balancing equation. These all terms we have learned. Now, what is chemical reaction? Let us revise some part and then we'll go for the further part. Chemical reaction is a change. Yes, please talk with me. What is chemical reaction? Anyone?
When two or more substances react with each other to form new substances called chemical reaction.
Very good, very good. To form a new substance with entirely different properties. It is very important. To form new substance with entirely different properties. And one more is combined together or will react with each other to form a new substance, to form a new product with entirely different properties. This is about chemical reaction. Now, what is the identification of chemical reaction? What is the identification? Means how will you identify the reaction?
Change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature and formation of precipitation.
Very good. Change in color, change in state, change in temperature, precipitation, and evolution of gas. These all changes will shows us that the reaction has been occurred. Means this is what the identification of chemical reaction. So that was the second part we have seen. Now we'll move towards chemical equation. Already we have what is the difference between reaction and equation. What is the difference between reaction and equation?
Symbol.
Yes. Chemical equation. To balance chemical equation, number of molecules at left hand side should be equal to number of molecules
on the right hand side.
Right? Next part is types of chemical reactions. After this, we are combination. Second, decomposition. Third, this fourth one is oxidation reduction. About oxidation and reduction, already we have discussed in carbon compound lesson. Oxidation and reduction. What about oxidation reaction? Can anyone say? Can anyone tell me?
Addition of oxygen.
Means, and what about this reduction? Addition of hydrogen. Here we are adding oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. And in reduction, exactly opposite process. Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. These are the opposite reactions, reverse reactions of each other. And the last reaction is endothermic, exothermic. Heat produces or heat gain. On this phenomenon, these two reactions are going to be identified: exothermic and endothermic and exothermic. Okay, so point by point I'm going to explain you all the terms in details. Whenever we'll go for this point, I will explain you about it.